Hi, this is just a quick solution to Paul McWhorter's Raspberry Pi lesson number 66 when he wants us to control the colour of an RGB LED using a touch sensor. I'm not using a breadboard for this because it's a lot easier, and I'm using an RGB LED with built-in resistors, which I thought would be a bit easier. And so I'll show you the code first. I'm using gpiozero, and I'm actually treating the touch sensor as a button, and I'm also using a thing I haven't used before, which is called colorzero, which is pretty neat because you can just specify the colour as a string like red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, whatever, and it will give you back a tuple which you can put into your program. So I've just got a function to change the colour, which is and I've just specified the colours that I want it to cycle through. Then it's just adding 1 to the colour number, and it's changing the colour of the RGB LED to that colour. So the main program, I just start off with it -1, because then the first one I cycle to would be 0, and I've just set up the RGB LED using pins 2, 3, and 4, and set it initially to black, and the touch sensor is on pin number 17, and I've used a callback. So when the touch sensor is released, it calls the function change color. So I'll just run this. So red, green, blue, off, red, green, blue, off. Right, I will stop the program, and you can put all manner of colours in here. One that I tried was puce. Puce did not exist, which is quite lucky. Delete that. Delete that. Right. So it's going to be red, green, blue, black, cyan, magenta. They're all pretty standard colours, but a lot of the colours look awful. Like pink looked very odd. So we'll run it again. And red, green, blue, black, cyan, magenta, white, and yellow. Red, green, blue, off. There we have it. That was just really to see if my new Raspberry Pi 4 worked, and also because I saw colorzero and I thought I would give it a go.